Pillow. Life can be hectic, and the bedroom is that private space where people can retreat from the hustle and bustle to relax and recharge. So how do we make this space a stress-free haven? Today, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to transform your bedroom into just that, a relaxing oasis. I'm Kathy, and this is Swede Space. I think we're really becoming more aware of how the environment affects our sleep. However, the bedroom is one of the last places people focus on when designing their home. Why is that? At IKEA, we believe in certain sleep essentials: comfort, light, sound, temperature, and climate. And when we get these right, we unlock the perfect space for sleeping and relaxing. This might seem like a lot, but there are very simple and affordable solutions to turn your bedroom into a more relaxing space to boost your energy, health, and happiness. For me, a relaxing retreat is synonymous with comfort. To achieve this, you need the right combination of mattress, pillow, and textiles. I like to sleep on my back, so a firm mattress provides the best support. A firmer pillow keeps my neck and spine straight, and the right duvet keeps my bedroom climate in check. But this is all very personal, and everyone has their preferences. To help you make more informed choices, check out our comfort guide. Link is in the description below. Also be mindful of the bedding color you choose. Remember, you want to create a soothing sleep environment. Neutrals are sleep-friendly, along with soft shades of blue, green, and yellow. From now on, declare your bedroom a clutter-free zone. Out of sight means out of mind. Storage boxes are great for storing the things you don't need on a regular basis, like extra blankets and seasonal items. Boxes like these can add a warm and natural element to your bedroom, and you can leave them out for easy access. Storage solutions are an important part of creating a calm space where you can truly unwind. And of course, get a good night's sleep. I like to hang blackout blinds in the bedroom. They keep the light out and allow me to control my sleep environment, whether I'm sleeping in on a Saturday morning or going to bed early. Also, don't forget to layer blinds with other window treatments like sheers or curtain panels to add softness and style to your space. And if you really want to take it to the next level, these battery-operated smart blinds let you open and close your blinds right from your bed. They're super convenient and affordable. Remember, good quality sleep is key, but let's not toss good design out the window. Comfort, less clutter, and better light control can help you achieve it all. We'd love to see how you've transformed your bedroom into a relaxing retreat. Use hashtag IKEAinspo and show us your storage solutions and color palettes. And make sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, I'm Kathy, and this is Swede Space.